As you can see, pandas are constantly in danger of being eliminated because of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are very unreliable, and
Oh no! The TV cut out again. Damn it.
I wish we had a more efficient renewable energy resource.
You know, there's this thing called geothermal energy.
Oh really? What's that?
I know a couple guys who know. Their names are Rummet and Parth. Geothermal
Energy!
by Parth and Rummet.
Today, we'll be exploring the concept of geothermal energy and how it works. This house is powered by geothermal energy.
The process starts deep within the earth.
Geothermal energy comes from within the Earth. The energy comes from heat within the Earth's core and radioactive isotopes that decay over time. To harness this energy, water is placed or found underground in pockets, where it is heated. This produces steam, and the steam is channeled into a turbine, which in turn turns a generator, finally producing alternating current electricity. And the steam is then cooled back into the water, which is injected into the reservoir to be reused. What you just saw was a dry steam power plant. Now we'll be looking at a flash steam power plant. The key difference is that in a flash steam power plant, the water underground isn't hot enough to be steam, so it enters a flash tank where it's depressurized and turns to steam. Other than that, the overall process is the same.
Now we will be covering the binary cycle power plant. The key difference in a binary cycle plant is that there are two liquids used instead of one. The hot water from underground is pumped into a heat exchanger, where its heat is exchanged with a liquid that has a lower boiling point. The other liquid then turns to steam and powers the turbine, while the water is pumped back underground to be reused.
Oh hey, our TV's back on!
This is Jeopardy!
And here are your categories: geothermal, 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 and yep, you guessed it, geothermal. I'll take geothermal for 300.
The clue for this question is, it's 3 to 4 times more efficient than other energy resources like fossil fuels. How efficient is geothermal energy?
Correct! I'll take geothermal for 100.
The clue for this question is, it can be purchased for $0.03 per kilowatt hour to $0.05 per kilowatt hour. What is geothermal energy?
Correct!
I'll take geothermal 500.
The clue for this question is, this type of energy can be used 24/7, 365, basically anytime you want. Ooh, I know! The answer is, when can geothermal energy be used?
Correct!
Alright, thanks for watching, folks. We'll be right back after the break. Get ready for our final round. Alright folks, welcome back to our final round of Jeopardy! In this round, one of the two contestants has to be the first to state at least 3 of the pros and cons of geothermal energy. To the victor go the spoils, and in this case, they're playing for $1 million. So 3 of the pros of geothermal energy, it's almost entirely emission-free. There's a virtually limitless supply of geothermal energy, and it's really simple and reliable. Some of the cons are that you have to build the power plants in very specific places, and like the prime sites are often far from cities and such. Another con is that you lose energy due to long transmission of electricity, and drilling into heated rock is very difficult, and it costs a lot to build these plants. Those are the pros and cons of geothermal energy. Correct! And that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching Jeopardy!
Hopefully you've learned a little bit about the geothermal energy process and some Jeopardy-style facts. Now we'll be covering some uses of geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy can be used for pretty much anything you can imagine. cars, phones, electronic books, basically anything and everything that is powered by electricity.